Meaning of dissimilarity.
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 Dissimilarity. Dissimilarity refers to the state of being unlike or different in some way. It can describe varying degrees of difference between two or more entities, such as people, objects, or ideas. Dissimilarity can be measured using a variety of techniques, such as statistical analysis or qualitative comparison. The result of identifying dissimilarity between entities can help to inform decision-making in fields ranging from scientific research to business strategy, as it provides insight into how different factors interact and influence outcomes.